Hi everyone, so I'm going to try and do some training videos on Norwex products because I know you all love Norwex and you use it regularly, but maybe there's a product that you don't know about or you don't know how to use, or maybe there's just, because we're always coming out with new products, or maybe I've got a different use for you. And if you have a different use for a product that I tell you about, put it in the comments because I really love for you guys to share those things, because that's how I learn. I learn new things about products and I love that. I find out stuff all the time from other consultants or from my customers, and that's what I love about Norwex, is that the products, I'm not one of these people that believes in one product for each job. Like, I want to be able to just grab whatever I can and do as many things as possible. So I really like that about Norwex, that most of our products can be used for more than one thing, which ends up saving you money in the long run, and you don't have to go, oh no, I've got to put this one down and pick up that one, because we're not doing that, right? We're just grabbing whatever we can and doing as much as possible. So today I'd like to tell you about a product that I use in my house regularly, but I really don't talk about that much. It's kind of one of those things where I believe in it, but I feel like maybe everybody has their own solution for this problem already. So I feel like most of my products make your life so much better that maybe this one, people are like, I already have something for that, so I don't worry about it. So it's our Norwex water filtration system. So it's a really pretty jug, and it's kind of like your Brita. And so the problem is that a lot of people actually use plastic bottles. And so Norwex wants to reduce that. So not only are they taking plastic water bottles and turning them into Norwex products, which is amazing because it's getting it out of the water systems, out of our lakes and things, and out of the landfills, and putting it into products that we're using daily. Awesome, right? So then it's also, we're trying to reduce the amount that you're using of plastics. So many of our products do that. This does it in an easy format. So I know I tend to be one of those people that just kind of grabs those and goes. But I'm trying to get better at actually using a water cup or my Norwex bottles that I've earned. So this is super easy. So when you get it, it's the most complicated it's ever been. But after that, it's super easy. So there's a water filter in there. You're going to, it comes with the instructions, so you just go through it. And then what you're going to do is you're going to just fill, so there's a little thing on the top here. You're just going to open this, and it has a counter so you can see how many refills you left to go. I think it starts at 100, and so you go from there. So then you just fill this up. See if I can get you to watch me here. Sorry about my thumb. Okay, so I'm just going to try and do this. This is tricky with one hand. Okay. So I'm just going to fill this up. Super simple, right? Like, this is not complicated. And then when I'm done, I just close that. And I'm just gonna wait for it to trickle down here. And then that's it. I can pour myself a nice glass of water. So it's really simple to use, and what makes ours different? So why would you buy this one instead of, say, the Brita? Okay, so what ours is, it actually uses more, you can refill it more, and also it actually has exclusive magnesium technology. So when I've been talking to my doctor about my son with Tourette's and his tics, his neurologist actually suggested increasing his magnesium intake. My doctor actually suggested magnesium intake, and so did the neurologist, for anxiety reducing. My boys actually get a lot of leg cramps, or my nutritionist suggested magnesium. So all I have to do, I bought all kinds of different magnesium thing, and it's all powder, and you gotta put it in the water, and I'm like, that's gonna be a nightmare. They're never gonna drink that. I know I'm not going to. So all I do is I pour them a glass of water. That's it. They drink it because they drink water all the time. That's it. That's all I have to do. I'm getting magnesium into them because we're all very deficient. We don't realize it. So if you are one of those people that uses disposable water bottles all the time, this is actually our catalog actually tells you in it that one pitcher can save hundreds of dollars, more than $300 monthly when compared to purchasing water in plastic bottles. It's BPA free, and it saves about 3,600 plastic water bottles per year. Isn't that amazing? One of these, that's it. So that's what I wanted to tell you about this, and that's it. Wait for the next video. Bye, guys.